seems to me that the coin market in general has never been healthier, and particularly so right at the top end with fabulous rarities. Let's take a look now at 3 rarities from the Paramount Collection sell at Heritage.
Combination of England, Ireland and Scotland represented as the 3 graces of Greek mythology. I need 180,000 Heritage Live. You're at 175, go 180. 180. There's my 180, but 190 is against you with stunning toning, Heritage Live. Look at that beautiful work on the reverse of that coin. I'm asking 200,000 to advance. 190,000 is bid, go 200,000. It's a 200, but 220,000 is against you. Now I'm asking 240,000 against your Heritage Live. It's with our internet bid at 220,000. Do I have 240,000? 240,000 for the 3 Graces crown. Heritage Live bid now at $240,000. Fair warning and last call to Heritage Live at 240,000. But 260 is already against you, Heritage Live. We have an internet bid at 260. I'm asking 280 now. It's against you, Heritage Live, with Claire's internet bid at 260,000. I need 280,000 from you. It's 280,000 to advance, Heritage Live again. Great time to use a cut bid at 270. I'm asking for 280,000. 280,000 Heritage Live. I'm going to do fair warning and last call to you at 280,000. And 260,000 to our internet bidder. Congratulations. 380 is bid, go 400,000. I need 400,000 to advance, Heritage Live. 380 is bid, go 400. 400,000 to advance. Heritage Live, I need your bid at 400,000. Fair warning. Last call to you, Heritage Live, at 400,000. And 380,000. 7176. Congratulations.
Coin Connection specialize in delivering the finest possible quality of coins to you. And for a little extra help, we have a promo 2% off with code name Bunny.
4. Now I believe we are at the lot that everyone has been waiting for. Lot number 339, the legendary Edward VIII pattern 5 pounds, arguably the rarest in existence, none finer at proof 67. There are only 2 known in private hands. This is superb gem, and one of the great stories about this coin that was found by our cataloguers when they were researching was that King Edward VIII, after his abdication, actually asked his brother, George V, for a set of these coins, these minted coins with his face on them, and he was denied. So this is a set that even Edward VIII, whose face is on this coin, has never even owned as well. A couple of other things to note: the bust, the face, traditionally the face changed direction with each monarch. With this particular one, Edward VIII bucked with tradition, and he kept his face facing the same way as his father before him. So we're actually going to open the bidding today, Claire.
1,125,000.
1,125,000. I need 1,150,000. We're opening with a cut bid.
I have.
And Erica has 1,300,000. I need 1,350,000 Heritage Live. You have the bid. It's at $1,300,000. I'm asking 1,350,000 Heritage Live. You don't want to leave this here. This is an opportunity that may never come up again in your lifetime. 1,350,000. I'm asking $1,400,000 Heritage Live. 1.4 is there. I need 1.45 Heritage Live. I need $1,450,000. And there's my bid at 1.45. I need 1.5 million. $1,500,000 is there as well. Heritage Live, come back with $1,550,000. 155, Heritage Live, and 1.6. Now I'm asking 1.65 million. Heritage Live, come back now with $1,650. And there is my bid. And 1.7. Heritage Live, I'm now asking 1.75. $1,750 to you, Heritage Live. And there is my bid. And 1.8. Heritage Live, come back to me now with 1.85 million. I need 1,850,000, and I have the bid. I need 1.9 million now. Heritage Live, you're at 1.85 million. I'm asking 1.9 million to advance. Heritage Live, this is a truly unique opportunity. Again, one of only two known in private hands, and this is one of them. It may never come up again in your lifetime to buy this coin and add it to your collection, and what a prize this is. I'm asking 1.9 million now, Heritage Live. You have the bid. At $1.85 million, do I have 1.9 million? I'm asking 1.9 million. I'm going to do fair warning, Heritage Live. Last call to you at 1.875 with a cut bid. Now I'm asking 1.9. We have the cut bid, and there it is at 1.9. Let's take it to 1.95, Heritage Live. You're at $1.9 million. I'm asking for another $50,000 increment. I need $1,950,000. Heritage Live, bid now at $1,950. 1.95 million to you, Heritage Live. 1.95 million, the coin that King Edward VIII never even had in his own collection. 1.95, fair warning. Last call to Heritage Live. Bidders now at 1.95 million. And congratulations at $1.9 million to our Heritage Live bidder. Congratulations. 7127. Congratulations. All right, lot number 300.
Thanks for watching, and I think that last lot, the Edward VIII £5 gold piece, was the most expensive British coin to ever be sold. So more videos along on the Numistacker channel soon, and happy Easter.